Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this article by Tesla Roddy, and then we're going to talk about the ban from TikTok, and also we're going to go over to the Tesla inventory and check out the Cybertruck, and to see what's left in the inventory. Right. All right, so let's start with this article. So this article is written by Simon Alvarez, and the title stated that the UK police confiscate Tesla Cybertruck to cite safety concerns. So, um, a Tesla Cybertruck that was imported to the United Kingdom has been seized by the authority. In comments, the Greater Manchester Police GMP noted that the vehicle was illegal to drive in UK, and here they give us the details of it. The Greater Manchester Police stopped the driver of the Cybertruck in Whitefield, Bury, on Thursday night. As noted in BBC News report, the Cybertruck was illegal to drive in UK due to the safety concerns. So hopefully they're going to give us some of the safety concerns mentioned. The vehicle which was registered and insured abroad, was confiscated by authorities. The driver of the Cybertruck, a UK resident, has been reported. The case has also been referred to as Operation Wolverine, which deals with drivers operating vehicles without insurance. The Tesla Cybertruck owner would now have to prove ownership of the vehicle as well as proper insurance before the all-electric pickup trucks could be released. In a social media post, the GMP explained the reason why the Cybertruck was confiscated. This may seem trivial to some, but legitimate concern exists around the safety of other users or a pedestrian if they were involved in a collision with the Cybertruck. The Greater Manchester Police noted, as if the Cybertruck's like a tank or something, you know. The Tesla Cybertruck is not road legal in the UK and does not hold a certificate of conformity. Saddened, okay. Cybertruck in the UK. So the Tesla Cybertruck has not been officially registered or released in the UK, though the vehicle has been spotted being brought to the country by private buyers. The all-electric pickup truck was also brought by Tesla at the Goodwood Festival of Speed last year, where it attracted a lot of attention from the events of attendees. So I don't know. That is just weird. You know what I mean? So maybe Elon need to visit England, see what's going on there. But the Cybertruck, I know this is more like, I don't know, like political issues, I guess. Because if the U.S. everywhere else is recognized Cybertrucks as perfectly fine, but UK is not. So who knows? So it is. So you can't just import any vehicles. I guess it depends on the government wise. I mean. So this teaches us a lesson. So don't import anything that is not been authorized, right? So as far as we know that right now, moving on to TikTok, our government is afraid of how the Chinese government is involved in it, and they are holding all the data in Chinese, and the parents of TikTok is ByteDance, and with the latest news where TikTok is forced to sell it to a buyer in the U.S. For it to be operational. However, as of I think the 19th, Apple Store and also the Google Play Store remove the app, so they can no longer download it. So it's more, and the president elect, or President Trump, he will. I think he can give a 90 days extension for it to real, because, and Elon mentioned that he might consider buying TikTok. So this would be, once TikTok is gone, it'll be good for Facebook, Instagram, and other, even X as well too, because people would have to find somewhere. Yep, but that's what's going on with TikTok. So, and let's go to Tesla to see what's going on with Tesla inventory. All right. Oh, Model X all-wheel drive. Once paid option include purchase of full self driving. So I guess if you're looking to buy a Model X and you can buy like the full self driving, you can pick another options, maybe the wheel, the colors, and they'll be included as well too. So, but like, we are mainly concerned about the Cybertrucks. So Elon actually sent out like a memo to the people in California if they were expecting a Cybertruck to order a Cybertruck. It might be a delay because they are using the Cybertrucks for power backup in some of the affected areas of the fires, as far as we know. And also, my brother works in the police department, and he can confirm that they used Cybertrucks in the Altadena area for Starlink and backup generator for other stuff as well too. But however, we do see that the Cybertrucks are all over the inventory. So it's when I first spotted it was like about 7 Cybertrucks, and now let's see how many we have total. And this is in locally my area. So 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24. So 24 total. So, and also they cut some of the prices as well. They give discounted on some of these. So we can actually go through this and see how much discount we're actually getting. So to know if there's the discount, as you can see gently here where it says reduce price, and then to get a more on it, we just have to click on it, and then it's gonna tell us the discount of it. And right here, let's see, this is the new vehicle, Model 24, right? So it's not a demo. This is, you can pick this up in Upland. So let's see where, if we would add it, it should give us some kind of, let's see, maybe under here. No, not really. It doesn't show us. Maybe on the computer it'll show us. But if it's when it says reduced price, it usually shows us like the number of discount that they're giving to us. Right. So here we go back to the main page. It also shows all the Model S will receive free supercharging. Right, but let's go back. So you can see here 72,800. That's usually, I think that's like what the regular price, 79,000. So that's like $6,000 something off, and then what, 5,000 something. But this one, it only has the interior 20-inch wheel and the tow hitch, right? Go down a little bit more. So you can see here, time it say the demo vehicles here with the miles on it, and it's here say with the new vehicle. The new vehicle here, it says a 2024 new vehicle, and it's so that's how they separate the 2025 and 2024. So if it just plainly says new vehicle, that means it's 2025. And this is the all-wheel drive right here. You can see this one has pretty much a lot of stuff. You get the Foundation series right here, but for $93,760. Interior's white, wheels 20-inch tow, lifetimes connectivities, and you get the full self-driving, and then you get free supercharging. It's a pretty good deal right there. And then they also have the Beast that is stripped down, just $94,400. If you just want, the Beast and you don't want any other stuff, you're careless about that, then you get the basic interior, the 20-inch, and the tow for $94,000. All right, and this is the all-wheel drive here. These Beasts again, they have a couple more Beasts over here. Beast just regular. And you get, this is the fully, below the bottom 3 are the fully loaded here. And you get like 113,000, 114, 114, So these two on the bottom are pretty much like no reduced price, and you get pretty much everything in the vehicle, right? But yeah, that's quite a lot of money. All right, so let's see. Receive free supercharging when you take delivery in the Foundation Series by January 31st. I believe right now in Japan they're giving, I think maybe 3 years of free supercharging in Japan, and the vehicle must be picked up by March 31st. So let's check out the Model Y. See if there's any discount here. So the Model Y right now with the lowest price is $31,490. Getting cheaper and cheaper. So let's take away include the 5 years, because this will show us the true price of the Tesla, right? 37,000, 38. All these are the new ones. So they do have quite a bit of vehicles in the inventory. So looks like they either gonna have to provide more discount or reduce price, because the Juniper is coming out. Yeah, they have a lot of inventory. So, and it's not moving. So Tesla will be doing a lot of discount or incentive pretty soon for the next quarter if they want to move these vehicles. All right, let's go to the Model 3, the Highland, right? And you can see here as well too, the Highland's 34,000. This is a new model, long-range rear-wheel drive, 363-mile range, right? This is 2025 models, guys. And 35,000. This is awesome, right? Go down, and again, we do see quite a bit of them. So when I bought my vehicle, like the Tesla was in really high demand. So any vehicle that pop on the inventory is just gone. So I was just so happy to snag one, and Jesus, before I know it, I can't regret it any faster. And let's take a look at let's see performance. Just curious. Yeah, so you can get its performance too, $47,000, and all this will be qualified with the $7,500 federal tax credit, which is awesome. Nice. Okay, let's go into the used one. Let's see. Oh, let's remove the performance. So let's see what's the cheapest we can buy. Wow, really nice. Here, this is 2018, 69,000 miles for 23, under 25,000. So this is gonna get another $4,000 knockoff. And you get two vehicles here. 25,600 or long range. Let's see if it maybe 22. This one is what, 2021, 20,000 miles, 20, not bad at all. Long range 22, 65,000. Long range 60,000. Let's see the price of the performance on this one. So you can get a 2022 used vehicle with $30,000 for the performance. This is not bad at all. Hey, Jesus, what happened? Let's go back. This is 30,000. Wow, this is pretty nice. Right? 30,000, 52,000 miles. You can check all of the vehicle's condition. The Tesla tells you right here, and you can actually give you auto check history, so you can know how they grade the vehicles. You can see here everything you need to know: the vehicles, the VIN number, class, United States, 3 years, manufactured in 2022, last reported miles right there. And they give you a score of 90 to 95, and this one just scored right in the middle, 93. And if there's any issues with the vehicle, you can see it right here. If there's any damage with the vehicle, any accident, it would spot it somewhere here. But here, this is pretty clean, right? Nothing checks out good. and it gives you reading the first time register this one, the locations, California, Fountain Valley, and this vehicle has been in California most of the time, all the time. So yeah, so yep, so that's pretty much it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching. Be safe. Till next time.